So as you guys can see, we got the front suspension taken off. Didn't really get much of a video of that, but we are going to be installing this front disc brake conversion kit, which includes the master cylinder and all that stuff over there. While we were getting things apart for the install, we noticed that the bushings were mostly missing or completely worn out and disintegrated, which led us to completely remove the remaining parts of the front suspension and order some new polyurethane bushings to go in it. So we will be kind of documenting the reinstallation of everything. After we get the front suspension back together, we'll go ahead and drop the motor in. As you can see, we got that trick flow top end kit, the deep drop pan, ceramic coated headers. Look forward to hearing it crank up. As you can see, we got the new brake lines made and in place. So now we can go ahead and get the engine set in the car. So as you can see, as we're preparing for that, just looking for all the bolts for the motor mounts. Look forward to finally getting the 440 back in the Belvedere here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting everything ready to go in, putting the motor mounts on, got it off the whole, engine stand. Just wanted to kind of quickly show you, we had to new booster in there and bent the brake lines. You won't be able to see that once the engine's in place. As you can see, the motor's now in there. Got to bolt everything up, run the wires, bolt down the intake, and all that stuff, but no longer an empty engine bay. And man, see we're getting the valve covers on. We decided to go with some studs to help line it up, and then we got some nuts on top. There's 6 bolts per side. So we're working on the driver's side, then we'll move on to this side. Of course, the back bolt is in a difficult to get spot because of the blower motor back there. The upper control arms of the Plymouth up here, we rebuilt them, put some new bushings there, and now we're going to replace the ball joints. Mopar has a threaded ball joint, not a press fit, so you can see the threads there, and this is what the ball joint looks like. This requires a special socket to get these tight. They recommend 125 foot-pounds of torque at a minimum. We went with the Moog brand. It's part number there. Comes with your dust covers, your grease fittings, and Carter key and bolt. The easiest way to probably do this is to put this on the car and put the bolts in. That way the A-frame control arm will be held in place. See what happens.